just got to Holland Ridge Farms for the Sunflower Festival. If you've been following our videos for a little while, you might remember we were here for the Tulip Festival back in April. Now we're going to see some sunflowers today. I do want to mention today is a little bit of a bittersweet day for me. For those of you that don't know, I was diagnosed with stage 4 ovarian cancer, and today is my first day of chemo. Very thankful I have sunglasses on right now. So we wanted to do one more really fun adventure before I started my treatment. So here we are. We'll take you guys for a look around. If you guys are looking for a great place to take some Christmas photos, Holland Ridge Farm has you covered.
Alright, what's really cool about this place is not only do they have a ton of sunflowers, but they have some really cool photo displays where you can take your Christmas pictures, your Halloween pictures, and everything else that you could possibly want. So,
plus other flowers.
like this tall one right here.
Not just sunflowers.
If you're looking to make your Instagram followers jealous, Holland Ridge Farms is the place to go. There are countless photo backdrops that will leave you with endless opportunities to be creative and take some amazing pictures.
So this one has some significance because that's all we have is hope.
I know I always hate on New Jersey all the time, but this is pretty cool. We made it to the sunflowers.
When you're trying to keep your shadow out of the shots.
Real guys take pictures with sunflowers.
Swing like you don't care. Swing like you don't care. Oh God.
I'm a small child.
Oh.
Hi. There's another one coming over.
When you have to tell her not to pull or hang on the umbrella handle. Well, she wants to become a butterfly, so she's a butterfly.
Gary officially found his favorite part at the farms. We got the food trucks.
No problem. Alright, So this is Holland Ridge's first year, first go around with the sunflowers. Good attempt, but there's a couple other places that Michelle has been, and they are a little bit better than this. What are those places?
Dalton Farms and Sussex County Sunflower Maze.
So, Dalton Farms, Sussex County Sunflower Maze.
They're pretty awesome.
Which the sunflowers there are just ginormous. But as you can tell, this place is pretty big. So. All in all, it's a pretty good day. So Holland Ridge Farms has everything you could possibly want, pretty much. Pick your own flowers, hay rides, animals, food trucks, pumpkin patch, little photo spots. So they pretty much have it all.
All right, we are headed out from Holland Ridge Farm. Unfortunately, my chemo starts at 1:40 today, so please send all the positive vibes. But we had a great day here. Don't worry, we're still gonna have more adventures coming soon. They might just be a little tamer until my treatments are over. So we will see you guys on the next adventure.